Hey guys, I'm Priyanka and welcome back to my channel called Priyanka Sharma. I'm sure a lot of you face a lot of difficulties in speaking English. Maybe some of you are able to understand English. You have knowledge about English. However, whenever you try to speak in English, you have a fear that if I speak in English, I may make a mistake. And that fear stops you from even trying to speak in English. You might have tried all the possible tips and tricks. However, you still did not accomplish your goal. You need not worry because in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 easy as well as tried and tested tricks which will help you to become a fluent and confident English speaker. So, let's start. Love the language. If you want to be a fluent and confident English speaker, it's very important for you to fall in love with the language. Learning spoken English should not be a pressure, but it should be a passion for you. If you develop liking and love for this language, you'll automatically enjoy the process of learning this fantabulous language. So if you really want to master the art of English speaking, it's important for you to fall in love with this language. Learn some impressive English words and start using them while speaking Hindi or any other language which you speak. This way, you will feel motivated that I'm at least speaking English words, if not complete sentences. We keep uploading impressive English words on our Instagram, so you can follow us on Instagram. This is our Instagram ID, and there you will find a lot of impressive English words, idioms and phrases along with their meanings. Start learning and speaking short and simple sentences. You can learn these sentences from the internet or by reading short story books. Make sure that the story books that you choose should be written in simple and easy to understand English. Let me give you examples of some short or simple sentences. Could you please give me a glass of water? May I have your notebook? I'm not feeling well today. I'm extremely tired. Nice meeting you. What's the name of your company? Can we meet this weekend? Or let's meet this weekend. How are you? Or if someone asks you, how are you? Always make sure you say, I'm fine, and what about you? And if someone asks you, how's the weather at your place? And if the weather is pleasant, you can say, the weather is extremely pleasant today. Watch easy to understand videos on YouTube. For example, you can watch videos of my channel because the videos that I upload are in English. What you can do when you watch these videos, make a note of few sentences which you find easy to understand or which you think you can use in your day-to-day conversations, and try using those sentences in the similar context. You can also learn pronunciation from good speakers. For example, if you pay attention to how I'm pronouncing the words, you make a note of those words, and with the help of the video, you keep on practicing and try to speak in the similar manner. Then you will not only learn English words, English sentences, but also correct pronunciation of different words. If you want to be a good English speaker, it's very important for you to know about current affairs or what's going on in your country as well as all across the globe. If you have information about these kind of topics, you'll be more confident when you speak on these topics. What you can do in order to know about current affairs or what's going on in your country as well as all across the world is, you can start reading English newspapers. If you find any sentence or a word difficult to understand, you can try to find its meaning over the internet, or you can also take help from anyone who can speak English fluently and confidently. This person can be your family member, your mentor, your friend, or a senior. If in spite of trying all the above 5 tricks, you still are unable to speak English confidently and fluently, you need to accept the fact that you require professional guidance and training. So join a suitable communication training or spoken English training program. This way you will get the right guidance, you will get the right kind of training. If you join a right academy where you get individual attention as well as a lot of attention is paid to your personality enhancement, you'll automatically not only become an impeccable English speaker but also will have an extremely impressive personality. You can join one of our training programs. In Priyanka's Academy of Communication Training, we believe in creating impeccable English speakers, which is why we provide individual attention to all our students. If you join our next batch starting from 18th April 2022 and you are our subscriber, then you will also get 10% discount. I can promise you, if you follow these tricks, you will definitely become a confident and fluent English speaker. Because what matters is that you are passionate about learning English and you have complete determination and focus to make your dream come true. If you want me to keep uploading these kind of videos, then give this video a thumbs up. That will tell me that you like this video and you want me to upload similar videos. Also mention in the comments any other topic which you want me to cover in my future videos. If you're new to my channel, so do subscribe to it. Hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure you live, love, laugh. Bye-bye.